5 DIY days of Halloween. I know that's a mouthful, I'm sorry. We are on day 4, and this one is really easy today, and I'm kind of grateful because I've got a really busy schedule today. But this one's really easy. All you need is some books, which these 3 books I got from the Dollar Tree, and these 3 books I got from Joann's last year. They went on sale for like 60% off. I think it was like the week of Halloween that I got these. So these ended up being like $1.50 or something like that. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wrap them up, kind of like how you've seen some blocks that have, you know, some twine or some jute around them. These are actual books though, and I love how they look. So first you need some books. I usually do a stack of 3. 3 is just a really pleasing I don't know what I'm talking about. Odd numbers, when looking at them, are just more pleasing to look at instead of even numbers. Like 2 books would just look weird. Anyway, so I'm going to start with this large stack of books, I think, and I'm just going to take the covers off. If you watched my dollar store haul, I think it was my ginormous whatever dollar store haul, these are the books that I got, well, some of the books that I got from it. And if you just take these covers off, they have these amazing looking covers. So this one, I love how it says Crow Mountain. It's an orange. This has white and black on it. It's perfect Halloween colors. The Brilliant Death, also nice red, reminds me of like vampire. And, you know, the title is perfect as well. This one says No Place to Hide, another terrific title, and it's just all black. So with these ones, I'm not even gonna do anything but wrap them up. And I'm just gonna see how I think I like the red better on top. Okay, so I like that. I like how that looks. Now I'm just going to decide which ribbon I want to use. And these ribbons, this one I got at Joann's, and again, it was a 60% off. So it was super cheap. And then this I got at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, and so it ended up being $1. This is one of the Baker's Twines. This orange and white Baker's Twine came in a pack of 3 from the Dollar Tree, and this jute, this whole thing I got from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm just gonna decide. I don't want this bright green with this one because I like that it's kind of classic looking colors. I think I'm going to go with maybe some jute and this black, and this is just going to be so easy. So I'm going to take this jute and this black and just put it around the back, because you want to make sure you have plenty to do a bow. Really nice bow. And then I'm probably going to be adding something to it, like a little tag or a sign or something. Okay, that looks good to me. Just going to take my scissors and cut it off. And just look, I mean, this is so easy. And it adds just a little something to wherever you're going to put it, on a coffee table, on, you know me, I love stuff on my fireplace, but I can only put so many things on my fireplace. I have way too many. And I'm gonna knot this right here. I'm gonna do a double knot because I don't want it to go anywhere. Maybe you can see where my pieces are going. Okay, so it doesn't have to be super tight. So then you can slide those books out. People can look at them if they want to, but I mean, mainly this is just for decoration. Those titles sound pretty awesome though, so probably I'm gonna skin twine. Love reading, love me. Now, you're gonna wanna make sure like this white's showing through. I don't really want that white to show. Flip my loop that. Pull out this Baker's Twine a little bit. I mean, like I say, pretty easy. If you want to, you can like glue it to your book or put a glue dot or something like that. Like I say, I might actually read these books, so I don't want to do that. But if you're not going to read them, go ahead. Put a glue dot on there. That's all I'm going to do with this one for now. And I kind of like having the long, it doesn't have to be super long. I guess it could cut it a little. But I like having some long tails. It just makes it look more whimsical to me. Okay, so that's that set of books. How easy peasy was that? And this is gonna be how it sets. And you can move them up or down, doesn't really matter. Easy peasy. Let's move on to this next. So these are cute because they already say my book of spells on them. I just picked my favorite looking one to be on top. This one just didn't look as dark, and this one's kind of, I don't even know what, it's just, you can't see the definition very well on this one. So I put this one on top. And I think I'm going to use the green because I like how that is going to stand out on that. And maybe, yeah, I'll use this orange baker's twine with that just because it's already so, you know, dark that I'm going to add some color to that. And I love the ruffle on this. That's so pretty. And it's actually a lot brighter in person. Really nice bright green. And this orange twine, I feel like this orange baker's twine is gonna perfect up that as well. Behind our book, make sure we have enough. I really want to make sure that baker's twine is just right over that middle. Double bow this again. And then when you go to make your loops, make sure again that that baker's twine is sitting right on top of that. Lovely green. I can always fix my bows after the fact. Just tying them, it's just a little bit exact. So yes, it does take time to, I mean, depending on how you are. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I like her. I've got it pretty good. Gosh, I love this fun, ruffly lime green ribbon. It's so pretty. I'll get a better picture of it for you guys so that you can see the true color of it. And you can write things on the side. I'm probably going to paint some wording on the side. I actually do have a silver marker that I got from the Dollar Tree that I'll probably write something on the side of these so that when you lay it flat, you can some writing on the side, and then you can see this on the top. But easy. Look at how easy. And I may add some tags to these or some little caricature pieces. If I do, you'll see that in the final picture. So yeah, I mean, this is really like so easy. Just basically pick your books, pick some ribbon or twine and wrap it around. Like I say, with these ones, I'm not going to do anything with the sides because I really like the titles already. And I'll probably add something to this because it looks a little plain on top. This one, I will leave the top alone and just write some wording on the sides. So that's it, you guys. Super easy, fast way to decorate for Halloween. You can do the same thing for pretty much any time of year. Just, you know, switch up the books to different titles, or, you know, you can paint over them if you want to. If you don't like the titles that are on there, you can paint over real books and just write whichever wording you want, or stencil it, or use your Cricut. So easy. I hope you guys like this super easy craft. This was day 4 again of the 5 DIY dollar days of Halloween, and tomorrow will be the last one. It's not going to be quite as easy as today, but it's still going to be really easy and super cute. So like and I can't talk today, you guys. Like and subscribe, please. And you will get notifications for that tomorrow. I'll also be showing you guys a dollar store haul. I'll either do that tonight or tomorrow as well. And we'll see you guys later. Okay, so before I go, I just wanted to show you. So I just wrote on the spine of these books with this Crafter's Square silver pen. So that set is done. And then I went in on the top of this red book, and I have had these, it's been forever since I've had these rub-ons. So many years ago, Stampin' Up! I'm not sure if they even still do rub-ons, but they had all these awesome rub-ons. This one was called Chills and Thrills. And so I just went ahead and I added this cute spider web right here. And since this book is called The Brilliant Death, I thought that I would just maybe in this bottom corner put this cute little cauldron with the little skull and crossbones. So I don't know if you guys have watched my video, where I do the farmhouse tea votives. I'm just going to use a popsicle stick to show you that this is just so easy. So you just press it down. I'm trying not to get the other little rub-ons on there, but I'm not too worried about it. And like I say, these are old, so it took a minute to get the spider web with all the little things to come off. If this doesn't come off perfect, because I thought about that it might not come off so good because they're super old, I'm okay with that because I just feel like it's going to give it a little bit more of a spooky look to it if it has some, I don't know, cracking or distressing, but that spider web went on pretty awesome. So I'm hoping this cauldron will go on just as good as that did. It takes a minute for it to come off, so you just keep rubbing it until it starts looking frosty. Then you know it's off of this looks like vinyl. It looks like it's coming off of a vinyl sheet. And yeah, you can just kind of see how it's coming off frosty. And it does look like this is coming off a little bit cracky. I say this is quite a few years old. I'm impressed that that spider web came off as good as it did. Let's see how this cauldron looks. I'll show you when I'm done. There'll be a few little cracky spots, but I'm kind of excited about that because it's just gonna make it look even spookier. Okay, yeah, that looks awesome. Just kind of looks spooky, and then it's got this cute little spider web at the top. And I think I'm just gonna call that good. I think that's cute, just like that. So now we're done with our cute stack of Halloween books. Gonna find a cute place for these, and I hope you guys have a great day. This was easy and fun. We will see you next time.